Shale's place. It's a cold and blustery day here today, but I'm on vacation at my family farm. And I thought it would be fun to show you a few photos and videos of our hobby farm. Okay, let's get on with the video. So I left my home in the Canadian Prairies and I flew across the country so I could visit my family who live on the farm. It was a beautiful day when I left, and here are some photos I took from the plane. I also took some video of the ice and snow below, but the sound is really loud, so if you're wearing headphones, you might want to turn them down. Of the airport. As you can see, we landed in a lot of snow, but that's okay. I found my ride and I was soon on my way to the farm. And here I am arriving at the farm. The house is built from fieldstone, and so is the barn. Now I'm going to include a few more videos and a few more photos. I even have a few panoramic photos for you to look at. If you enjoy seeing photos from the country, please come back to Shale's place because I'm going to be posting more photos and videos of my holiday in the country. Thanks for watching, and please give this video a like and a thumbs up.